Mr. Mamthembu, Sewambi, Manager Office Sabantu. I'll be answering your interview question.
Okay, Zama. How do you handle tight deadlines to ensure timely delivery of print job?
Okay, by making giant make appointment, like a coming in time, okay, kwesinye isikhathi bafika abantu othi abayenzanga appointment, okay, asibajikisi umuntu siyamthatha i-order lakhe sibhale, kodwa-ke siyamtshela ukuthi kukhona abasebenza ama-appointment, kodwa-ke siyamnika naye isikhathi sakhe ukuthi uma engatholanga namhlanje uzolithola kusasa.
Duty first come first serve. How do you ensure quality control in the printing process?
Okay, by making sure that our machine is always right, like we ordering stuff that we gonna need, like inks, cotton, because we also do embroidery, like printing t-shirts, marks, and also helping others by ukuthi siba-aplayele ey'koleni, because yenze omunye uthi uyathanda esikoleni kodwa uthi akanalo idatha loku-aplaya. Okay, siyabasiza lapho.
Okay. Can you describe a challenging projects you have managed?
Okay. Okay, kuningi ngizoqala la. Omunye uyafika uthola ukuthi uyafuna umenzele into kodwa uzokutshela inkinga ukuthi okay, anginayo imali kodwa ngiyafuna ukuthi uyenze something. Lokho kugcina sekuyimbangela yokuthi ugcina ungasakwazi ukwenza ezinye izinto, uthole ukuthi umsebenzi usuyama.